everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the Anastasia Soft Glam Palette. So I'm going to be showing you how I created this glam halo smoky eye. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. First up, I'm taking the colour Burnt Orange and blending that backwards and forwards into my crease. This is going to be our transition shade. Next up, I'm taking the colour Sienna and I'm just blending that below where I placed the colour Burnt Orange to deepen up the transition. So now I'm taking the colour Mulberry and I'm placing that on the outer third of my eye to deepen up that colour, and I'm just using one of my business cards as a guide, and it's really just going to help you get a really crisp line. So to create that halo effect, I'm just going to be taking that same mulberry shade on a small detail brush and placing that onto the inner third of the eye. To add even more depth, I'm taking the shade Cypress Umber and I am placing that just over the top of where I placed the mulberry shade. And now just going back in and making sure that everything is really well blended. Now going into the shade Tempera, I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone. For the center of the lid, or the halo, I'm going in with the shade Glistening, and I'm just packing that all over the center of my eyelid, and then just going in with Rose Pink and blending the outer edges with that color. And then finally I'll be dipping into the shade Sultry and again just blending the outer edges with that color. To line the eyes, I'm using my favorite drugstore eyeliner, which is the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Liner. This pen is really easy to use and it's really black, and I find it really long lasting too. So definitely good value and great to pick up next time you are at your local drugstore. Now to balance out the eye look, I'm going back into the shades Sienna and Mulberry and blending those just below the lower lash line. For lashes, I'm going in with my Andrea Maree Luxury Silk Lashes in the style Fearless. I absolutely love these lashes. They're so fluffy and I really think that they make your eyes stand out. So if you're interested in picking these ones up, I will leave a link in the description bar below. I'm now just applying some mascara to my bottom lashes and then going in with the Urban Decay Stark Naked Matte Lipstick, and then topping that off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, which is a really amazing lip gloss. I definitely recommend this one if you haven't already tried it out. This is the finished makeup look. I really hope that you guys like it. If you did like this video, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I put out new videos each week. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.